Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out our website. Today we're going to go over this really cool 2018 Mallard. It's the M28. So we're going to start off on the interior and we'll finish off on the exterior. Follow me inside. All right, you guys, this is a posing slide trailer. So we've got a slide on both sides of our interior living area. Gives you an island in the middle, nice stainless steel sink. Got a great kitchen with lots of counter space, obviously. 3-burner stove, oven, large cabinets. It's really got it all. Fridge, freezer combo. Some more storage up above. Across from us, we've got a nice little love seat that does pull out into a hide-a-bed. The dinette, booth dinette, which will also fold down into a sleeping area. And we've got a ton of storage back here before you get into the bathroom. So these shelves are removable in both sides, so you can use it for hanging space if you want. Here's your box of your remotes and your goodies in here, and then it does have central vac, so there's all your hoses and hookups for that. Got a nice door into the bathroom and a solid shower door. Nice to have, keeps the water where you want it to be. Medicine cabinet with sink, lots of counter space, storage below. Good legs room around the toilet, and then you got a ton of storage in here. So this all the way across, and there's a bar in there for hanging as well. So you can store a lot of stuff in here. As you move up front, you see you got a large TV that it comes with, and this TV will swivel so you can watch it in the bedroom or out here in the main living area. In the bedroom, we've got a nice queen size bed, storage on both sides, and all the way across the top here. Storage below the bed as well. Okay, let's go over the exterior features. Oh, real quick, there's your shop vac, or central vac, excuse me. All your controls and hookups right there too. Taking a look at the Mallard from the outside, you can see it's a well-built trailer. Smooth-sided fiberglass with the front cap. Comes with the larger propane tanks. There's a connection right here for solar. Now it has the slam latch doors, so when you're done with those, just drop them in there, close themselves. Weight wise, you're looking at 8,600 GVW, so really towable. Most half tons will do this. Move down here, you got your large slide. This is where your dinette and your couch are. And then behind the slide here, we've got a lot of our connections. So you've got your black tank flush for cleaning out your sewer system, your city water if you're staying in a park, hot and cold outside shower. The shower hose is just going to pull out. Great for cleaning off the dog, your dirty feet, kids. There's your cable. And this is where your 30 amp power cord is going to connect right here. That's inside. Around back, you can see you've got a full-size spare tire. It is pre-wired for a backup camera, and a lot of people really like this feature. It's got the outside kitchen. So you've got a fridge here, prep area here, sink, and then down below there is a quick connection for LP. It's actually right here, so you can hook a barbecue into that if you'd like. So again, this is a 2018 Heartland Mallard. It's the M28. So if you have any questions on this or any of our other RVs in stock, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057.